Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this Keith Haring look. By the way, I am wearing a shirt, so yeah, my hair looks crazy. I'm starting out with my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I'm at the last of it, so it looks kind of funky. Using that as an eye primer, blending that out with my beauty blender, and then taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the number 10 and setting that. Then I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shades Silk Cream and Pinky, and I'm focusing that in the upper crease area. I was thinking about doing a cut crease for this look, so I kept the shadows high so that you can see it when I cut the crease. This look, I'm going to be using the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. This one is my favorite at the moment. And then using the Anastasia eye primer. I'm pulling out my sketchbook because I actually thought of this look by myself with the inspo of the Keith Haring painting, the unfinished painting. This was my favorite painting ever, so I wanted to recreate that for his birthday today. So I'm just using the Anastasia eye primer and a flat foundation, just kidding, flat concealer brush, and I'm cutting the crease. So this is the shape of the day. Then taking a flat packer brush and I'm picking up the purples in the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette. I don't remember the names. I'll make sure to link that below. And I'm just patting that on the wet eye primer. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera. And I also did my foundation since that's kind of boring, and then taking my mehron palette using the white color, I'm just outlining that cut crease with the white mehron Paradise paint. Next, taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Everything's purple in this video today. And then I'm just lining my eyes for lashes as always. Then I'm curling my lashes and then applying my mascara. This is the same as always, my Maybelline Cat Eye Mascara. Then I'm putting some random lashes on. I don't know where these are from. I'm so sorry. Next, I'm starting on the face using a really tiny paintbrush and some brown shadow. I'm just kind of mapping out where I'm gonna do the Keith Haring inspired look. Yeah, so I'll just let you watch this. Then I'm just filling it in with the purple from the Mehron Paradise Paint palette. I'm pretty sure I mixed both of the purples together to get this purple. Next, with some black paradise paint, I'm just outlining the whole shape that I've made. So this look is inspired by the painting, so I'm just kind of replicating the little dashes that are throughout the little shapes on the painting, but I'm making it my own. And then the painting has like drips, like paint drips, so I'm just replicating that by adding some paint and water and letting it drip down my face. And then I'm using the purple shadow from the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, putting that on my lower lash line, using some mascara for my lower lash line. And then off camera, I just did some more of those water droplets. Here I'm showing you how to do it like on a bigger surface. So I paint on and then spray some water so that it can drip. Just wanted to show you guys how I did that, and that's everything for this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Happy birthday, Keith Haring. I freaking love you. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.